Here's how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Now, if you're on Snapchat on your iPhone or Android, but it keeps popping up with this support code SS06, I'm going to walk you through the entire process on what it is and how to get it fixed. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, it might look something like this. It says, due to repeated attempts or other suspicious activity, your access from Snapchat is temporarily disabled. Support code SS06. Now, keep in mind, this is essentially an error that's popping up when Snapchat thinks there's something sketchy going on with your device or how you're interacting with Snapchat. So essentially what we're going to do is a number of different steps to ensure that you are the owner of that account. So the first thing we're going to do is head into your settings, and we're going to scroll down, tap on General, and then scroll to the bottom and tap on VPN or device management. Now, a VPN, if it is turned on, essentially this a lot of times causes issues with Snapchat because your iPhone is connecting to a VPN, maybe in even another country, and then connecting to Snapchat, and then it thinks that's kind of sketchy. I don't necessarily know why this IP address from some other random country is connecting to this account. So if you have a VPN turned on, I would recommend turning it off. And then also I would recommend just going to somewhere that you oftentimes connect to Snapchat, your home or your office or some friend's house, basically somewhere that you spend a lot of time and you've connected to Snapchat on that place, on that Wi-Fi, with cell data, whatever it may be, before. Now, another thing we'll do is open up Snapchat here and tap on your profile at the top left. And then tap on the gear icon at the very top right here. And then on here, we're just going to scroll down because what we need to do is find the ability to clear out your data or your cache. So on here, you can see clear data, and it gives you a bunch of different options. But at the very bottom, we're going to choose clear cache and hit clear. This will essentially clear out the cache and restart Snapchat, allowing it to refresh everything, and hopefully you won't get that error code when you're trying to use it. Another thing you can do is head into your settings again. Let's just go back here. We're going to tap on General and then iPhone Storage. When we're going to be in here, we're going to find Snapchat on this list. There it is. And just hit offload the app and reinstall it immediately. What this does is, again, clears all the cache, all that random bugs or glitches in there, reinstalls a fresh new version of Snapchat on your device. And by going through this process, essentially you've refreshed everything and you can open up the app. And then you can go back into your profile, into the chat, all of that stuff. You shouldn't be getting that error code SS06 anymore. If you're still finding issues with getting that error code, and this is your account, this is your device, you're not necessarily sure why, you can always tap on the gear icon. And then again, scroll to the bottom. And then on here, you can just tap on the Help Center and go through the process of reporting that as an issue. Basically, just search for, help getting your account, and then basically submit a support request with Snapchat to get them to help you get your account fixed and reinstated so you're not getting that code. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.